Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bali Life 2021. In the last video, I talked to you guys about the lockdown process and what's been going on in Bali specifically, but I also told you guys how excited I am that I'm gonna try some new food. So as you can tell from today's title, I'm going to try some Indonesian food. I asked you guys on YouTube what you guys wanted me to try, so I'm gonna check out the poll right now. I actually just put it on my laptop. You guys can see. Hopefully you don't see my shadow in the back, but I posted this picture to ask you which one I should try, if it was Mie Goreng or Nasi Goreng. Let me just refresh the page to make sure. Okay, so this is the picture that I posted, and oh, okay, so 56% of you guys want me to try Mie Goreng. And if you guys don't know, Mie Goreng is the noodles. So today's video is going to be me trying Mie Goreng. Okay, so I finished the workout, I showered, and now I'm about to order the food, which is what you guys have been waiting for. Now, since you guys know we are in lockdown, I'm going to order online from two apps. So there's Grab and Gojek here. Those are the biggest apps here. I used to have Grab only, but I realized when you live here, you need to have Gojek because some restaurants are just not on Grab. But I figured I might as well try from two different places just so I can have, you know, the opinions from two different restaurants. So let's go right now on Grab and see what they have. Grab. I'm gonna first order from Sadasa. This is a place where we were staying before. I showed you guys when we first got to Bali, and they had some delicious food. And you guys can see the Mie Goreng right here. Mie Goreng Campur. So it says fried noodles with egg, prawn crackers, and some greens on the side. Sounds good to me. And that is about 35,000 Indonesian rupiahs. So let's pick that. And now that it's ordered, I'm also going to check out Gojek. So Gojek is also another app that you can use to buy food. I'm going to look for Wawung. From what I heard, this is like the street food place. They're all called Wawung, if I'm saying that correctly. Why is it not letting me search? Me. There you go. Mie Goreng vegetable fried noodles. Oh wow, that is 7,000. You heard? What? I used to go on Gojek for the Mie Goreng. Guess how much that was? The one from Vidasa is 35,000. Guess how much this one is? 7,000. You heard me? Yeah.
Hey, check it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna check that one out. But I'm probably not gonna be able to finish that if that's that much. They're both vegetable noodles, which is great. So I'll be able to give it a fair rating because it'll be the same thing. So let's add that. By the way, may I say it's a good thing that I ordered from two places because no wonder this was 7,000. This is like an added on. I don't know if it's going to be the actual meal or it just might be like just the noodles to add to a dish, like an extra. So I hope that's not it. This place is Sadasa. I told you guys when I first got to Bali, this is where I stayed at. Let me show you. They are very eco-friendly. I don't think I tried the Mie Goreng. I don't remember. I tried some stuff there, but I don't remember what I tried. And they try to do everything to help the environment, which I realize is very common in Bali. A lot of places are trying to be eco-friendly and trying to help the environment a little bit. So let's see what we got. Okay, you ready? Just like the picture, so I'm gonna try to put it here. Hopefully you guys can see it well. So this is how the dish comes. You'll have the fried egg, the noodles. Oh, it has eggs inside too. I don't really like the taste of fried egg, but we'll see. And then this one, so it's the same, just smaller. No fried egg, just a very small amount. So we have two options. right off the back, I'm gonna rate just presentation. I mean, this already wins presentation. It's very beautiful on the banana leaves. Nice, so it's already won. And this already the size, nah. So 1 point for Sadasa. And this place is called, let me make sure I give you guys the name of the place. This place is called Warong Loco. So this is from Warong Loco and this is from Sadasa. So right now Sadasa 1 point, Warong 0. The next thing I'm gonna rate them on is price, and this was with delivery 41,000 Indonesian rupiahs, and this was 1750. Now the funny thing is with this one at Warong Loco was 7,000 on the website, but when you order and you do the delivery and there's the fee, there's like 3 extra fees, the fee and the delivery are more than the actual cost of this, which I guess it can happen. But so this ended up being 1750. So for 1750 I got a lot less, and this was just 40. So price wise this could not fill you up. So if you had to double that and eat this, then it still wouldn't be as much. If you had doubled this, it wouldn't be as much as this. So I'm gonna give Sadasa 1 point over that one. So 2 for Sadasa, 0 for Local Warong. But you know, all I'm saying makes absolutely no sense. It's all about the taste. So let's dig in. I'm gonna first start with, let me go with the simple. Let me see. I'm gonna start with the Warong Loco. You guys see. All right. I haven't had breakfast yet. I only had coconut water so far and some water in the morning and my tea. So let's try this. Okay, you guys can see. Simple. Like ramen noodles, I guess. This is like basic ramen, literally basic ramen noodles, but you add a little bit of carrot and vegetable inside. But the simple taste is actually good, but anybody could do this. That's what I want to say. Let's try the next one. First off, I'm gonna try, I've tried this before. These are like crackers. I've had them in Vietnam. There's a seafood flavor. It tastes like if you're cooking seafood and you have like the sauce, this is what you're getting, the sauce in a cracker. That's the flavor I'm getting, and it's really good. I like it. All right. I don't know. This egg, wow. I mean, it's so well done, right? I don't really like eggs, but I'm gonna try it. Let's see. Hopefully it's cooked all the way too. Yeah. I can have boiled egg. I like boiled eggs, but I never liked fried eggs when I was growing up. So it's really well fried. I mean, look how much it holds the shape. So let's see. I don't know if you're supposed to eat it by itself. I'm gonna try it by itself and then I'll try everything together. There's no salt, nothing on it, but the consistency of a fried egg, like, I've never had it without flavor. I would put a little bit of salt, but not bad. All right, let's get to the actual nitty gritty, which is this. I want to say I'm a little bit hesitant because I don't like when there's eggs fried in it, because that's when I get the flavor of eggs. But let's try it. Let's see. Now I could do that. I think I had something similar, but I don't think it's exactly this. And this is really good. This is good. Okay, this, let me try everything together. So I'm gonna have the noodles, the cracker, and the egg together. Let's see. You know what? They're onto something. This is good. Okay. This tastes like it's been fried or sauteed with like a soy sauce or something like. But this definitely tastes like it was sauteed with some flavor. So there's like the egg, but it's not strong. It's not too spicy, I gotta say. And you get like in-depth flavor in there. This one tastes more like you just boiled the noodle, added like a quick little seasoning, and then some vegetables. And this one felt like they actually took some time to cook it, so it tastes a lot better. I gotta say, in general, this together, that's the winner for me. So let me put this down. Let me talk to you guys. Okay, so overall I have to say that presentation wise, Sadasa won. If we're talking about taste, definitely Sadasa, because this one, it didn't taste bad. However, it just felt like you could do it for yourself. This one, you can see they sauteed the vegetables with some seasoning, and then they added the noodles, so it kind of gave you a nice little flavor mixed with other things. As far as spice level, I would say both of them, I wouldn't rate them at all as being spicy, or they're not really spicy. So as far as flavor, I'm gonna give them both 1 point as far as spicy level, because it was just right. I don't like too spicy, and it was exactly what I wanted. So I like that about both of them. Both of the restaurants did great on that. And then as far as price, I mean, like I said before, if you're looking for the cheapest thing, this obviously was great. It was only actually on the website 7,000, like I said. But if you're gonna get this, it's not gonna fill you up. So if that's what you just want to eat, then I don't think it's worth it. So this probably would be the cheapest, so it's be best because the price would be cheaper with this one. However, for just 40,000, you got like yourself a nice good meal. And I'll put the exchange rate of what it is in USD for you guys. I don't know so you guys can see what it is, but so that's definitely one because it was more tasty. Now I'm interested to try something that's more, you know, cook, like something really special, because this to me is just like the ramen noodle bags that you buy, and I think that's exactly what it is, like just ramen noodles, but if it's just how can you make it good. So I'm down to see what else there is to try. And if you guys enjoyed this video and you want me to try more food, more Indonesian food, make sure you like this video, and please guys remember to build the life that you love. See you in the next one.